Hey there, Hope. How are you? It's Leo again. Thanks for being so awesome on the phone today, giving me information and giving me the opportunity to shoot this video for you guys. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I just wanted to get this video over to you with some tips and tricks. That way you can do these in-house and it'll help you bring in more business using a website or your Google Business Profile. I would appreciate to hear some feedback from you about the video. I hope these strategies are helpful and they're educational for you. So as you see here, you're actually on the first page of the Google Business Profile. Used to be Google My Business, but they're converting over. So you're actually doing pretty good with your Google Business Profile. I just don't want you to slip down here and fall to that second page because 75% of people don't even go to the second page. Now, I know this is a free website that you get whenever you load up your GMB, and that's great. But in order to progress, you need to have your own website, and that's where everything is going to link to. That website is more like your main hub. I want to show you this real quick on here. You need to save these photos as roofing, Bowling Green, Kentucky, roof replacement, Bowling Green, Kentucky, just whatever the service is, and then your location, because that is looked at as content. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do here, because there's not a lot on here, you need about 5 pages of content, location, services, about us, things like that. So what I've done is I've actually pulled your number one competitor, and I wanted to kind of go over their site. So the reason I even reached out is because if I don't think I can help you, I won't even reach out. But these guys are so beatable, it's insane. So on this home page, you can see CMS Roofing is the number one competitors. They're owning that top spot, and they're really lacking content. On this first page, Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content. And throughout that content, they want keywords embedded. And the reason for that is 24/7 Google sends bots out scouring these sites, and they're constantly pinging on keywords, content, pictures, things like that. And keywords are just phrases or words that people search looking for services. And if you look on here, let's see, save as roof restoration. That's actually not too bad. So they're kind of on track, but I know that was an accident because when you look at this image here, they don't have residential roofing Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's just all this gibberish up here. So I know they're not taking full advantage of this website. These back pages need to have about 5 to 750 words on them as well. But what they did do really good is if you get a website, you need to make sure that your call to actions up here at the top, so you can schedule a service, you can call, you can email, you can book, or you can even make a payment. So having access to all these things on the top is awesome. Now, what I've done is I really can't do a lot with yours, but this is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it goes over and gives me your analytics and where you're setting. I'm going to use your number one competitor so I can explain this a little better. This is their UR and DR. This is the strength of their site and the trust of their site. And as you can see, the numbers are pretty low because these are out of 100, and you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. Now, they've got 345 backlinks and 96 domains. With them having this many backlinks, it shows me that these are kind of spammy, or this trust would be a lot higher. Now, a backlink is a website linking to another website via a clickable button or text, but not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are more spammy than others and some that are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and is local to you. So as of right now, you're not being indexed for any keywords. It's not bringing any traffic or anything like that. These guys are being indexed for 109 keywords, and it's bringing in 68 extra people a month to their site. So even if you convert 10% of that, that is 6 or 7 extra clients a month. And if you're getting 5, 6, 7 extra roof jobs, roof replacements, re-roofs a month, You know, that's a nice little bit of change that you're bringing in. So they're being found for roof inspection, Bowling Green, local roofer, Bowling Green, um, roofing companies in Bowling Green, Kentucky. See the volume of these? These are these are the volume of people that's searching this every month, and you can definitely get a portion of those that volume if you create the website and have these buyer intent keywords in there as well. Now, with having a 0 on your traffic, this is acting more like a digital business card than anything. It doesn't really do much. Um, the reason you want your Google business profile is for these reviews. You want to constantly add pictures on here with the geotagging, like I said, with re-roof, roofing, Bowling Green, Kentucky, roof replacement, Bowling Green, Kentucky, things like that. You really want to go after those buyer intent keywords that people are Googling. That's how they're going to find your services. So, just an example of a keyword is roofers, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Now, you're not up in these top 3 spots, and that's fine because there's several ways that you can get there. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews, like I said. Make sure your business name and your address and phone number are all the same across the internet, because you definitely don't want to mislead Google. That's called a citation with your business name, address, and phone number. Now, there's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to fill out, and don't forget to add the keywords in there as well. By posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, it really helps you rank organically. And adding those citations, which again is your business name, address, and phone number, in places like Yext, Yelp, Yellow Pages, things like that, those are directories, because Google's like a big popularity contest, honestly. By giving out your information to as many people as possible, like the directories, Yellow Pages, and Yelp, it helps Google trust you more. And that trust will actually boost your business, not only in your area, but also the surrounding areas as well, because you want to gobble up as much of that business in your area and around your area. So being in the top 3 of that Google Map Pack is going to draw an extra 30 or 40% traffic that goes to your website, and then they'll give you a call from there. That's the importance of having that website. That way that they can see you on here, and then they can go to your website, check out your website, make sure it's got all the content on there, make sure that it's got all your words branded correctly, geotagged in your photos, and having those buyer intent keywords all throughout your content. Now, if you go to the bottom down here, this is your organics, and your top competitor again is CMS Roofing, and those are the guys right here. So again, you know, there's not a lot of content here. Google wants to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage, and they are severely lacking. That's the reason I'm reaching out, is because there's just no competition with all these other websites that I've been researching. So I've actually been trying to find people that want to rank higher. I'm showing them things that we can do to outrank those companies. And if this is something that's not for you, at least get the website going and implement these changes that I'm showing you. So if we look here, there's a decent amount of volume in Bowling Green. So I did Bowling Green and roofing. So what we got up here, this is the volume, and this is the keyword difficulty and how difficult it is to rank these keyword phrases. Local roofer, Bowling Green, Kentucky, is extra 40 searches a month. Local roofer, Bowling Green, is extra 70. So that's 110 extra with just those 2 words there. Local roofer, Bowling Green, is an extra 30. Bowling Green roofing contractors, an extra 20. So it's about 250, 270. So if you even got 5% of that, that's like 13 extra clients that's in your pocket for roofing jobs or any kind of jobs that you want to do. You know, a lot of times the roofing leads to decking, and the decking with the roofing shingles, and sometimes it's gutter replacement on top of that, siding. So, you know, these jobs can really open up and lead to a lot. I definitely hope this video was helpful. And again, I appreciate your time, Hope. And I'd love to hear your feedback and thoughts on this. I appreciate your time, and thank you so much. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out because I can be a resource for you if needed. Have a great day.